Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a BMW guys E46. This one guys will be the 3 Series generation year from 1998 to 2006. What we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the electric cooling fan, radiator fan, known as radiator fan. Not all vehicles will have electric ones, some will do, some don't, depending on the models. We'll show you where it's located, and no, not all of them will have the manual one. So stay with us and we'll explain all that. We'll show where the fuse is located. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So let's go ahead and start on the process now. So we need to go to the passenger side. We need to guys open the glove box compartment right here. And once you open the glove box compartment, we're going to have actually 2 white things that we need to turn like that, and we'll drop it down. You can see just like that. Now guys, where that electric fan fuse is located, you can see you have 2 rows of fuses. One on top, one on bottom. You can see the numbers for the top ones printed on top with white letters, and in between them you have small with small numbers, with black numbers right there printed, white numbers, black numbers, and the bottom row, the numbers will be printed here, but I will not be able to show you. The fuse guys that we're looking at now, it's a very big fuse for that electric fan. It's fuse number 37 guys. Let me explain to you where that fuse is located. We're talking about this fuse right here. And you cannot use guys your fuse puller to replace that fuse. This fuse, you either grab it, let me see, and pull it by hand, or you have to use pliers. Now you can check out guys in the description of the video below where we get our fuses from for a really good price, not very expensive at all, so please check it out. But this is guys where the fuse is. You can see number 37 is the one for the electric radiator fan. And all we have to do, get the new one, and install it, just like that guys. So when you're ready, it's very important guys to go ahead, and close that so you don't cause any damage to your fuse box. And from that point on guys, pretty much you're ready to go. If you guys want to see any specific video, let us know. We'll try to make a video for your problem guys, and that way we can save you more money. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.